Hey, Robert, nice to meet you. And thank you that you are doing a workshop in our conference in Madrid.
My
Uh,
pleasure.
Please introduce yourself.
My name is Robbert Meulemeester. I work for the Ghent-based agency PM Risk Crisis Change as a crisis communications and a crisis management consultant. I frequently lecture about crisis communications, crisis management, perception analysis, social media, marketing, and so on. I have a fairly broad background, mainly in public relations, events, marketing and finance. And next to CIP Institute, I'm also a member of the European Roller Coaster Club, and I'm a huge American football fan. So that's a little bit more about me.
Well, and what can you expect from your workshop? Because I hear it will be something rather jaw-opening. Yeah?
Yes. Well, in my workshop, we'll play an interactive crisis game about the zombie apocalypse. So in the game, multiple zombie outbreaks will destroy cities across the world. And basically, our future as humanity is at stake. So participants will have to counter the zombie outbreak on an operational, strategic, and communication level. They will have to work closely together. They will have to get their priorities straight and use their resources wisely in order to mitigate the threats. So it's a game, but of course it's based on the core principles of crisis communications and crisis management, which I'll also briefly explain. So.
Okay, and what will be the key points that people take away from, that our CIP members will take away from your workshop?
Well, the zombie game was developed initially as a combination between team building and training. So that means that we'll all have fun while we learn a thing or two as well. So like in all business games, our zombie game has the purpose of training decision-making and exposing shortcomings when it comes to strategic thinking, tactical planning, and so on. So the apocalyptic and unrealistic threat that is a zombie scenario will provide a new angle to make, complex scenarios more discussable. So I'm looking forward to see innovative thinking and seeing creative solutions to weird problems. So I'm looking forward to it.
And what will people miss not coming to your workshop?
Well, I think we as professionals, when it comes to complex interactive processes, often take the time to train ourselves and to keep our minds sharp. However, it doesn't really happen that much that we have the chance to test our knowledge and skill set in an extreme and bizarre circumstance like a zombie apocalypse. So I think if you're not joining my workshop, you'll probably miss out on a unique opportunity. So yeah, how many times do you get the chance to save the world, right?
Okay, fantastic, Robert. Thank you very much for doing this interview. And we are looking forward to meeting you in Madrid.
Thank you. Looking forward.